Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. Right now there is a lot of hype about the all-famous keto diet, and well, this hype is here for all the right reasons, mainly because it actually brings quick and long-lasting results, unlike other diet plans. Now, for those who don't know what keto diet is, let us explain it to you in detail so that it can be easy for you to embark on your keto diet journey. Keto is basically the short form used for ketosis. It's a state in which your body starts using stored fats to get energy as there is no glucose in you. Now when the body uses stored fats for energy, there occurs a buildup of acids in your body, and those acids are called ketones. This is what the keto diet is all about. It's about the development of ketones in your body, and as a result it helps in massive weight loss. Keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat and moderate protein diet that has helped thousands of people over the past few years in losing weight, and well, the results of this diet are quite impressive if done correctly. Honestly, keto is one difficult diet to follow, and well, the rules with which it comes are quite strict. Like, you are not allowed anything sweet, and if you try to eat something sweet in the name of a cheat meal, then there are chances for you to be kicked out of ketosis. Yes, you read it right. It's not one of those diets in which you follow the plan for 6 days a week and on the 7th day you cheat and eat all the sweets and junk food thinking that it won't affect you much. It takes at least 3 to 4 days to enter into ketosis, and if you start having cheat meals at a rapid pace, then there's no point of doing keto, because you can't just play with your body by entering ketosis and getting kicked out of ketosis. Diet soda on a keto diet. Now, if you are a shameless, diet-obsessed person who is about to embark on his journey to a low-carb and high-fat keto diet, then we have good news for you. You can actually consume diet sodas when you are in keto, because technically a Diet Coke comes with no sugar, no calories and no carbs, which is why it passes the keto test, and yes, it's totally allowed. There is absolutely no nutritional value for a Diet Coke or any diet soda, because it's all just a mixture of carbonated water with some artificial sweeteners, some colors, and some additives. In short, the nutritional value of diet soda is basically void, but still, it affects your health in several ways. The downside of diet sodas. There's no doubt that diet soda is allowed in the keto diet, but let's not forget that it isn't healthy for our bodies. Like, you can have a glass of it once a week to curb your cravings for sweets, but if you are planning to have it every day when you are in keto, then there are 2 things you need to know about it. First, it has artificial sweeteners inside that might kick you out of ketosis, because everyone has a different body tendency. The second and most important thing is that diet sodas come with several downsides, like mood alterations, joint pain, and it sometimes even causes weight gain. Now, if you look at the side effects of diet sodas, you'll know that they aren't healthy for you in any case. These sodas might help you a bit in your keto diet because they've got artificial sweeteners in them, but if you are someone with weak joints or heart problems, then no, we won't recommend it to you in any case. However, if you want to stay clean, natural and healthy during your keto diet, then yes, you will avoid sodas as much as you can. Most importantly, if you do some extensive research on diet sodas, then you'll know that they do everything that's opposite to the keto diet. Mainly, these sodas prevent weight loss, and well, this is where all the debate begins. Think about it for a while about what exactly is the purpose of doing such a difficult and strict keto diet when you will still have a Diet Coke and prevent weight loss. It's like your body will be fighting itself whether it has to lose weight or prevent losing weight. Depression. Kidney damage. diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cavities, obesity. These are just a few of the damages that a diet soda can do to your body, and even if you are consuming it, thinking of it being low in carbs and allowed in the keto diet, then you should leave dieting right now. Another eye-opener for you can be the fact that it is stated by science that diet sodas are actually more dangerous than regular sodas. Yes, you read it right, and we have explained it all to you in detail. It's not only for you, in fact, even if you aren't on the keto diet and still, if you are consuming bottles of Diet Coke every day, then you are literally damaging your health to the maximum. Especially, never give diet sodas to your children because they can weaken their bones and cause several damages that won't be cured later when they grow up. Overall verdict. Yes, you are allowed to have a diet soda while you are on keto, but we won't recommend it in any case. You are already going through so much stress with the diet and you are already dealing with mood swings due to sugar cravings, and if on top of it you start drinking Diet Coke, well, then get ready to suffer more and face more mood swings. Also, you don't want two different things to play with your body, right? Like, your keto will be struggling with your body so that you lose weight, but on the other hand, the diet soda you are consuming will prevent that weight loss. We would suggest that you not drink any diet beverages while you are on keto, but if it's really hard for you to resist, then yes, you can have one soda a week, but not more than that. Not only do you have the support of Diet Cokes and sodas in keto, but there are also a lot more keto drinks out there that can make this diet exciting for you. So, instead of buying the cans from outside and playing with your health, we'll suggest you surf the internet and learn how to make delicious keto drinks that can make weight loss easy and fun for you. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Custom Keto Diet today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.